He will start his work from today itself. Tomorrow, because today is his retirement day. So I have already ordered. Charity begins at home. I want to give support to my bureaucrats and bureaucracy of this country and all of my government employees. And for that reason, a brave officer, a bold officer, a honest officer cannot be victims like this. And he didn't ask the extension. It is we asked for the greater interest of the people, for the greater interest of the Bengal. What is his fault? I don't understand. What is the reason? Only political, except the political vendetta? What is the reason? And that's why we have decided, I have decided, we want his service for pandemic. COVID pandemic, how he walked, everybody knows that now we are safe. We are doing better. Because to work for COVID pandemic and to work for cyclone affected areas, he must give his service to me, his service to Bengal, his service to country, his service to poor people, his service to minorities, his service to SC/STs, his service to OBCs, his service to poor people, his service to weaker section, his service to COVID affected people, his service to cyclone affected people. That's why I ordered he will join with me as a chief advisor of Chief Minister. And additional also there is a charge, ATI also he will take care. So from tomorrow he will start his work. I thought, and I will also give a reply, though I have given the reply later, they have written Chief Secretary, they have not replied to me. They have not replied to my letter. Even today, 31st, till now, they have written Chief Secretary. That letter what I have told you. It is not that Chief Minister they have written the letter. So I have not get my reply also for disagreement also. What they say clause 6 clause 1. That also, this is their blunder. But we don't mind for this. We will fight the battle, and our government is a poor people government. We will work for the people. They cannot stop us to work for the pandemic, COVID pandemic people. They cannot stop us to work for the cyclone affected peoples, and they cannot stop the bureaucrats to spend their life with dignity and honor. I respect my Chief Secretary, ex-Chief Secretary, for his good services as a honest man, as a good man, he was a journalist also in his past life. So his reputation, his family reputation, everybody knows. And now I have given a note, Sri Alapon Bandyopadhyay IS, presently posted as Chief Secretary West Bengal and who belongs to 87 batch, retires on superannuation on 31st 5th 2021. He had performed excellently well during his entire service life in various postings and his service as Chief Secretary, especially during COVID-19 pandemic, Duare Sarkar, and during the West Bengal Assembly election 2021 has been our excellence, has been par excellence. In order to utilize his valuable experience, it is proposed that Sri Alapon Bandyopadhyay may be appointed as Chief Advisor to Honorable Chief Minister with effect from 1/6/2021, from tomorrow, for a period of 3 years. Not 3 months, 3 years. The role of the Chief Advisor shall be to advise the Honorable Chief Minister on policy matters on areas they may be assigned from time to time. Other terms and conditions of service may be decided in concurrence with the Finance Department, and whatever he will get, that also Finance Department have already decided, but I won't think that it is proper to say, but he may draw pay of rupees 2.5 lakhs, means 2.5 lakh plus other allowances as admissible to IAS officers from time to time minus basic pension before communication plus dearness relief as admissible from time to time. Other condition, the concurrence of the finance concurrent of the finance department, it will be decided. So I think I have finished. Do you have any reply for that?
দিদি একটা জিনিস একটু
হ্যাঁ বলুন। আমি বাংলায় অনেকটা বলতে পারিনি, তার কারণ ন্যাশনাল চ্যানেল অনেক সময় ওরা মিথ্যে কথা বলে খাওয়ায়।
সেটাই চাইছি।
যেমন দুপুরবেলায় খাইয়েছিল যে ওয়ার্কআউট করেছে। শুনুন, পলিটিক্যাল লোকেরা ওয়ার্কআউট করে মাঝে মাঝে ফর অবভিয়াস রিজন, বাট ব্যুরোক্র্যাটরা কখনো ওয়ার্কআউট করে না। একটা ল মিনিস্টার মিসলিডিং করছে আউট অফ লতে গিয়ে, ইটস ভেরি ব্যাড।